What's the box of the day, babe?
It is door handles.
Door
Hey,
handles.
that one there's pretty neat. Wow, it needs some WD or PB Blaster. I like PB Blaster better.
Yeah.
Anyway, that's pretty neat right
Yeah,
there.
that's a nice one, ain't it?
Yeah, I don't know what it goes to.
Yeah.
There's a part number there that we could look it up.
Yeah.
Anyway, there's that.
Got all kind of door
Another
handles.
Door.
These are like, I don't know, they start at $5 or so, don't they?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Door handles. Little metal pieces, maybe, you know.
Some of them matter about the bottom side. They're either square or round or something like that, depending on how they fit into the door.
Sharp.
That's nice.
Yeah, buddy.
That's already
sharp.
chrome. That's a nice piece
Yeah,
right
boy,
there.
that one was nice. It's like a brand new in there.
Oh, that's not bad.
Yeah, it's nice. Ooh, like that one.
That's different.
Yeah, buddy. That's on the old.
Yeah.
That's old.
Good rat rod stuff, too.
30s or something. 40s.
Yeah. That's some window
There's a
cranks.
Window crank handle right there. It's for like a window crank. Window crank. There's another window crank.
Yeah.
I don't know what that's for. I can't tell.
A lot
Probably
of parts
four or
in there.
Yeah, well, there's a bunch of them. That's missing the little. That's like the 70s there.
Yeah.
Door handle. Chevrolet. Chevrolet. Got in there. Not sure. There's another window handle. Some nice ones done in there, babe.
Yeah, they're
There's
not
another
bad.
like that. And see, there's a set.
Yeah, we've got some sets in there.
Yeah, buddy. Let's see. There's another window crank handles. They one like that.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, there's another 70 Chevrolet.
Yeah.
70 Chevrolet. Yeah, boy. And there's some sort of flipper.
Yeah.
That's the inside door handle. One of them. And another window crank handle. There you go. That's nice. There's a door handle to open the door. That looks like it might be 50s or 40s.
Yeah.
Hey, there's another one in flipper jaws.
Yeah, those are nice right there.
That's the inside. Hey, there's another one.
Yeah, there's 2 or 3 of those in there.
We're gonna have a set right there, babe. Look there. There's a set.
Okay.
2 sets for a set. Like a 4-door, something like that.
Yeah.
There you go. There's another. That one's got something's wrote on it. That's Ford Galaxy. 63 Ford Galaxy right there.
All right.
Yeah, buddy. Missing the push button.
Yeah.
But you got a good,
Got a good
got a
handle.
good body there.
Yeah.
Start. There's another door handle.
And they're OEM.
Yeah, OEM.
OEM.
It's all
Nice.
originals. There's another window crank.
Good gracious at the door handle.
Yeah, boy. There's another. There you go. It's all kind of. Another door handle.
Let me know if you want
Ooh,
them
that
all
one
or
there's
part of
nice.
them. Yeah.
I like that one. I like the shape of it.
You can do some neat stuff with these door handles. You
Yeah,
know,
buddy.
if you didn't want to use them in the car, you could still put them on other things to make something with.
Right there, just like there's a set.
Yeah.
There's another one of these. That's,
Yeah.
That's Chevrolet. 70s. There's another one like that. Nope, just a little different.
There more.
Yeah, that's all that's in here. I mean, just
Door
lots of
handles.
stuff like that. That
All
there
right.
looks kind of just a bunch of window
Yeah.
door handle stuff. Window cranks, door, you know, open the door with, window crank,
yeah.
roll down your windows with, all that. That's what this whole box is.
You can let us know.
Just all kind of different ones there.
We got plenty of them. We got, like I said, 5, 10, 15, just depends.
And there's your vent.
Oh, that's a nice little
Yeah,
vent
that's
glass.
for your vent.
Yep.
Vent glass.
I think that's for an Apache.
Yeah.
Heated Apache.
There's a window.
Yeah.
See, just all kind of. There's another
Vent glass.
vent glass. Yeah.
Okay.
There's just all kind of little odd and end door handles in here.
We got all kind of parts. Never know what we're going to
Yep.
find.
All
So
kind.
hit us up. Let us know what you need.
Yeah, buddy.
If you see something in the background, let us know if you want that too.
Shoot, yeah.
Like my husband. Can't have him though. I have to hold on to him.
I have my time, my moments, babe.
Hit that like, hit that subscribe.